Are you struggling to get your 3D PCA graphics to show up in JupyterLab? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to use Plotly in JupyterLab and troubleshoot those pesky graphics issues. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you've installed everything correctly, but your graphics just won't display. You're not the only one facing this issue, and it's a common hurdle for many users. Let's take a closer look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Why are my 3D PCA graphics not showing in JupyterLab, even after installing the JupyterLab Plotly package?" They were able to create a Plotly object but couldn't figure out how to display the graphics. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So, what could be going wrong? Sometimes it's just a matter of how the graphics are rendered in JupyterLab compared to Jupyter Notebook. Understanding this difference is key to solving the issue. And stick around. I have a working example at the end that will show you exactly how to display your graphics in JupyterLab. You won't want to miss it. To begin solving the user's issue with displaying graphics in JupyterLab, the first step is to ensure that the user has the necessary packages installed. They should have both Plotly and JupyterLab Plotly extensions installed. Next, the user needs to enable the JupyterLab Plotly extension. This can be done by running a specific command in the terminal to ensure that the extension is properly configured. After enabling the extension, the user should restart JupyterLab to apply the changes. This step is crucial for the graphics to render correctly. Now, the user can create a simple example to test if the graphics display correctly. They can use the scatter 3D function from Plotly to create a 3D plot. Finally, if the user follows these steps and the graphics still do not show, they may need to check their browser's console for any errors or consider updating their JupyterLab installation. Fun fact, did you know that Plotly was originally created to help scientists visualize data? Now it's a powerful tool used by data scientists and analysts worldwide. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the command JupyterLab extension install JupyterLab-Plotly. This command is now the recommended way to enable Plotly graphics in JupyterLab. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. Another user has provided a helpful alternative solution. They mention that the Plotly documentation offers detailed steps for using Plotly in JupyterLab. This guide is regularly updated, even as the library evolves. Here's the working example I promised. After following the installation steps, try running this code snippet to create a 3D scatter plot. It should display perfectly in JupyterLab. And there you have it. Your 3D PCA graphics should now be displaying in JupyterLab. Remember, troubleshooting can be a journey, but with the right steps, you can overcome any obstacle. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.